series, tama?
Um,
Na-lead, oo, na-lead role.
Siyempre po, I'm just really grateful sa Panginoon na binigyan po ako ng ganitong opportunity, and especially nagustuhan po ng mga tao yung feedback and yung pag-arte po. Ang daming natutunan, ang dami kong natutunan sa bawat scene, and ayun po, sabi ng director ko, bawat scene dapat pinapahalagahan mo at dapat binigyan mo ng buhay. Kahit mas importante nga yung maliit na scene kaysa mas mahabang scene eh. Kasi mas makikita mo yung expression ng tao. And yun po, I'm just really grateful and honored. And Cornerstone as well na binigyan po ako ng ganitong opportunity and GMA. And yun po, salamat.
Yes, congratulations on that. And with that, we'll give the floor na to our media. But of course, ito na ang isang pinakakaabangan na talagang kung excited din ng ating mga fans. Of course, meron din silang chance na magtanong sa inyo mamaya. But for now, mag-start muna tayo sa ating mga friends from our media at ang ating mga vloggers. So who would like to go first po? Chika niya. Huwag ka na magtago dyan. Ikaw na lang daw.
Tinuro si Pep, so siya yung nauna.
Kayong kakarating niya.
I'll ask first kay Kobe.
Hello! Hi, chikanas. Namiss kita. Parang...
Kobe, how are you adjusting with a new environment? And may pressure ba to come into a series na talagang mataas na yung rating and ano yung iaambag mo palalo para mas papaganda pa yung
For me po, I'm very happy. I'm very happy to be part of Born to Shine po. It's my first show ko sa GMA, and I was very nervous at first kasi of course, again, like you said, new environment, but sa start pa lang po, I felt very welcomed by everyone. Lalo na si Direk, Gea, Zeph, si Olive, si Michael. So, I'm very happy that, again, this is my first show, and I'm glad that the viewers are receiving our love team, my love team with Olive well. So, ayun po, very happy, and I hope that they continue watching and continue enjoying my scenes with Olive. Ayun po.
Olive lang? Ano kami?
And Zephanie and Michael and Gea.
Pero di ba parang recent episode, parang pagseselosan ka yung sa inyo ni Zephanie, may something din. Ganon din ba ang mangyayari?
For me, abangan nyo na lang po. Abangan nyo na lang, pero may konting away next week. It's gonna be very interesting. Yeah. Direk,
Thank you.
thank you so much.
Kay Zeph, tsaka kay Gea.
Hello po.
Ayan po. Of course, nakikita nyo naman na may clamor talaga na hopefully Yumi will become a legit P-pop.
Hindi mo ba yung totoo? At this point?
Ano na ba yung plan at this point about that idea?
Well, sa ngayon po talagang fictional pa rin kami. But for us, honestly, it feels real. Especially na nagpe-perform na po kami sa mga mall shows and mga events. Kaya parang yung treatment namin sa Yumi bilang isang group, hindi lang namin siya nakikita na parang sa Born to Shine lang. Pero kami, we give our best. Yung efforts talaga namin and even the people behind it, parang pang totoong P-pop group. So, kung sakali man po na umabot sa point na yon, anong masasabi mo, Gea?
Ako, ang masasabi ko naman dyan, why not? Because at this point,
galing po kami ng mall show from Pangasinan yesterday. And we felt so much love from yung mga U-mates. As in, kabisado po nila yung mga songs namin. They're singing, they're dancing along. So why not, guys? Totohanin na natin to. Is this not real? Basta gusto nyo, di ba? Basta gusto nyo. Doon kami. Hey!
Actually, yung mga songs nyo talaga na ilalabas, parang assuming na talaga siya, hindi yung parang as Gea or as Evan.
I think yung mga songs po talaga made for Yumi characters, pero we can relate to personally. And mga original songs po talaga siya by GMA Playlist. Si Kuya Kenneth, siya yung gumagawa ng mga songs namin. So, sana more to come. And we're just very happy and grateful na nagugustuhan ng tao yung mga performances namin. Kasi para din sa inyo po yung lahat.
Thank you. At sorry, last one. Kay Michael and I mean, obviously, kayo yung next Kapuso leading man. Diba? Ganyan. So, parang, how do you want to be defined as the new generation of leading man na dapat abangan dito sa TV and of course in other platforms?
Go, Mr. Kamao.
Mr. Born to Shine.
Nakakatuwa naman po that people see it that way, that we're gonna be the next leading man, kasi it's always been my dream and the reason why I started showbiz talaga to one day achieve that goal of being a leading man. So ayun, nakakatuwa lang, but siguro it's still pressure that I really appreciate. Siguro yung type of pressure that will continue to motivate me to work harder, to keep improving every day, especially sa mga projects na bibigay sa akin. Kasi po, for me talaga, pagiging isang leading man, hindi lang yan sa TV, on screen, kumbaga, ugali din yan off-cam, as a person, and something that I want to embody. You know, the leadership skills of a leading man is so important, and siguro din ngayon sa generation na to, iba yung showbiz in a sense that dumadami ang mga platforms natin. As we can see, we're all digital now, online. So siguro yun, it's just more roles that you have to take on, but it's part of the job for me, and siguro I appreciate that their supporters really giving me the love, and yeah, I just want to continue showing, especially the younger generation, what we should be like, hindi lang sa mga serye, pero sa mga platform na nabibigay din po sa amin. But without everything, I'm just thankful and grateful for all of it.
Okay, nasabi na ni Michael ang dami ko sabihin. Pero yun po, I'm just focusing on my craft right now. And kung ano pong mangyayari sa career ko ngayon, I'm just really grateful to God na binigyan po ako ng ganito and binigyan kami ng ganito opportunity. And I'm just focused on my craft and acting po. And ayun po, kung anong mabibigay sa akin ni Lord at sa GMA and Cornerstone, why not? Kukunin ko yun. Salamat po.
Thank you. Chika Ness, thank you. Alright, sino po pa next?
Hi, my name is Jamie. I'm from the blog Subject Manila. So, question first is Kobe. They mentioned that you'll be having an album, correct?
Yes po, yes po.
Any ideas you can share, or what kind of music you'd like to make?
I'd love to make R&B, siguro, an OPM. I wanna discover that side of me. Actually, I've always wanted to make music, pero it's I feel like I haven't fully tapped into it yet. So I'm happy na I'm getting this opportunity to do that with Cornerstone, and I'm definitely gonna be learning a lot along the way. So sobrang excited po ako.
Thank you.
Thank you.
For the Born to Shine girls naman, so what did you learn about the P-pop industry siguro, or through your characters, through your portrayal of your characters in Born to Shine? So any insights then about the P-pop industry na talaga which is happening right now in real life? Ayun.
Okay, so siguro one insight that I've learned about the P-pop industry from portraying our characters sa Born to Shine is grabe talaga yung discipline. You need to be disciplined, and you have those goals talaga in your life and find out exactly how you're supposed to reach them. Which, for me naman, as a reflection, I'm really happy na I get to work with yung mga girls sa uni because all of us are determined. All of us come from the same background now where we started from singing competitions. So when you come from singing competitions, especially in your childhood, you learn how to be determined na you need to do your best all the time. You need to give your best. So siguro that's one of those things.
And then Zephanie.
For me naman, more on the technical side. So, nabanggit nga po ni Gia na discipline talaga is very important. But I think it's harder than what it looks like na parang we see them perform, but all the behind the scenes talaga, nandun yung challenges and yung struggles. Syempre, you're not just on like by yourself, but you have to be as one. And it's hard to do that. Sa kwento namin, marami kaming awayan na nagaganap inside na obviously hindi nakikita ng mga supporters even sa story. But I guess yun yung challenge, really getting along with each other even when performing on stage. But I think yung pinakamaganda doon is you get to perform with people na may parehong passion in their hearts and yung love for their craft talagang nandoon. So despite of the challenges and the struggles, at the end of the day, when you decide to perform with all your heart and really aim for that excellence, talagang they will see you as one and they will see the unity and the harmony. As in unity. Ayun po, so ang saya lang na may kasama sa stage.
For Michael din, because you also portray a singer, correct? Also in Born to Shine. So anything you learned about the people